Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check the following tracks here. Now I start from this one first. I see a lot of interesting vehicle here. So now I bring one and shake it in water. You can see a garbage truck. You can see a nice garbage truck, amazing garbage truck. Okay, and now check another one. Shoot police car, mini police car. About this one, I don't know its name, but I know we use this truck to press land, to press soil at construction area. If you know its name, please write down. I'll check later. Everyone, how about this one? Red car with number 3. A nice car. Mini racing car, green color, number 7. Mini racing car, green color, with shoot colors, number 7. Now check the next one. Mini airplane. Okay, the next. Everybody, this one is a shoot excavator. Amazing excavator. Amazing invention excavator. Now check the next one. Mini car, green color. This one is a police car, green color. How about this one, everybody? A monster truck with white color. Mini monster truck. Mini ladder truck. Mini ladder truck, we can see emergency number 119 with a red color. A mini ladder truck. Everyone, how about this one? You know its name? If you know its name, please write down. Okay, this one is bulldozer. You can see bulldozer at construction area. Bulldozer, excavator, anything else? How about this one? My favorite hero, Captain America, but it is getting old day after day. Hero Captain America, a big one. Everybody, let's move to another track. I will check quickly, but I will explain you all cars here. Everyone, how about this one? Excavator. Red super motorbike. My favorite super motorbike. The next, off-road car, red color. Another one, red racing car, mini racing car, number 3, off-road 3. About this one, Indonesian language, Mobil Truk. You know Mobil Truk? You hear something about Mobil Truk? Okay, Mobil Truk or truck. How about this one? Police car. But it is a kind of supercar. It is a kind of expensive car. Mobil Tanki number 6 or tank truck. The next one, racing car number 9. Everybody, this is a racing car number 9. How about this one? Die-cast car. The last one, Mini Captain America, Hero Captain America. Everybody, the last one is a Mini Captain America. Everybody, if you love this video, if you like my video, please write down, click a like button, and especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching. See you next time.